Good afternoon, friends. This is your JK from JK Astro, and today's topic is when you will get money as per GMP. Very interesting topic, everybody is interested in money. Some days back, I posted a message about this in Facebook group, and so many people asked me, please explain, sir. We are not able to understand. That is why this video I am posting. See, this is as per GMP. First of all, we should know what is GMP. GMP means Gurumurti Padhati. And one Mr. Gurumurti from Tamil Nadu, he has formulated this and he has taught us in Bangalore. So, now, as per GMP, how to see whether you are getting money or not. See, there are three types of degree things are there. So, according to the degree, three groups are there. So, that each Rashi has got 30 degrees. The 30 degrees, the three types we are dividing it. Those three types will tell you will get money or you will lose the money. In the three types, two types will tell you will get money or you will lose money. When moon we know fastest traveling planet, and because of moon, moon transit will tell you day to day activity. So when moon transit over a particular nakshatra, particular degree, then we'll know we'll get money. The same way, when the same moon transit over particular nakshatra, particular planet, then we'll know then we are going to lose them. People who has to get money from some people, they would have given money and they had to get it back, or they would have rendered some service and they had to get money from the clients, or some people they are doing a day trading and other thing in share market, so they have to see whether they will get money or not. So for that, now we will see with some examples. See here, we have, I have calculated all the degrees and other things, so you need not bother. So Panapara degrees means you can note down. Panapara degrees means 2 degrees 30 minutes to 5 degrees and 10 degrees to 12 degree 30 minutes and then 17 degrees 30 minutes to 20 degrees and 25 degrees to 25 degrees to 27 degree 30 minutes. This is Panapara degrees means this will give money. This degrees, if any planet is posited in your chart, it will give money. Next, Apokilma. So these Apokilma degrees are 5 degrees to 7 degree 30 minutes, then 12 degree 30 minutes to 15 degrees, then 20 degrees to 22 degree 30 minutes, then 27 degree 30 minutes to 30 minutes. This is the Apokilma degrees. You take your chart and see degrees, exact degrees. Degree, minute is also very, very important. Sometimes seconds also very, very important. You just note down and see which are the planets are coming in Panapara degrees, which are the planets are coming in Apokilma degrees. So the planets which are coming on Panapara degrees, if a moon transit over that planets, that particular degree or the bandwidth of the degree, then you will get money. Same way, The Apokylma degrees, see which all the planets are in Apokylma degrees. That planets, which bandwidth it is coming, you just see that. Whenever moon travels in that bandwidth, then you should be careful. Then chances are there that you will lose money. Now we'll see an example chart. In this example chart, Sun is in 2 degree 28 minutes in Leo. Moon is in 25 degree 11 minutes in Taurus. Venus is in 4 degrees 57 minutes in Virgo. So, Sun in Leo means it is in Magha Nakshatra. Moon is in Taurus means Mrigashira Nakshatra. Venus in Virgo means it is in Uttara Phalguni Nakshatra. And see, Sun in Magha Nakshatra means whenever moon travels in the bandwidth, I told you the bandwidth, Panapara, we'll see first Panapara. Whenever Sun is in, whenever the moon transit over on the Sun degree, that is the bandwidth of the degree, see here Sun is 2 degree 28 minutes. So the bandwidth is 2 degree 30 minutes to 5 degrees. Whenever the moon transit over this bandwidth on Maha Nakshatra or on Mula Nakshatra or on Ashwini Nakshatra, because these are all Ketu Nakshatras, that native will get the money. The same way, moon is in 25 degree 11 minutes. The bandwidth is 25 degree to 27 degree 30 minutes. In that bandwidth, moon transit in Taurus, in Mrigashira Nakshatra, or in Chitra Nakshatra, or in Dhanishta Nakshatra, then you will get money. We all know Chitra Nakshatra and Virgo, Dhanishta Nakshatra in both the places are there. But we have to see the bandwidth. So, see here also, Taurus also, it is coming in both the places. Because for Sun, there is no problem. In one Rashi it is coming. But here for Moon, 2 Rashis are coming. So the bandwidth is playing an important role here. So this bandwidth is coming in Taurus. Same way, Chitra Nakshatra, the bandwidth where it is coming, you have to see. And again, Dhanishta Nakshatra, bandwidth where it is coming. So that you have to see. Accordingly, we have to decide where the moon. That is why bandwidth is very, very important, because this is a split nakshatras. In both the houses will be there, which places it's coming. The same way, Venus is in Uttara Phalguni Nakshatra. Here also, Uttara Phalguni is in Leo also, it is in Virgo also. And again, Sun Nakshatra, Uttara Ashada, it is in Sagittarius also, it is in Capricorn also. Again, Kritika Nakshatra, it is in Aries also, it is in Taurus also. That is why this bandwidth plays a very, very important role. So, accordingly, we have to see when the moon transit over this bandwidth of these nakshatras, then one will get the money. The same way, we have to apply the Apokylma degrees. And very important thing is, I told about share market. So immediately don't jump, oh, I am going to get money in the share market and other things. No. The share market thing, that is gambling, you have to be very sure that your chart promises first. Your chart promises that you will get money through gambling. That is a different concept. Then, when and how you will get money, you will know. Here also we can see this nakshatra, with this nakshatra, which houses will give you money or not. That also you see, you will know when moon transit over a particular house, you will get money. Okay, but source, the houses will indicate which are the sources. Okay, and again I'm cautioning you, for share market people, you see your fifth house and fifth lot, that is a gambling house. Whether you will, for investment purpose, I'm putting a share, sir, for 5 years, I'm not going to disturb. That is a different concept. I am talking about day trading people. They have to see that fifth house, fifth lot promises the money from gambling. Then only they have to see. This next step is this one, saying that whether I will get money or when I will get money, whether I will get money or not, then when I will get money. That is the important thing. Okay, thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe. If you subscribe, that encourages me to post more videos like this. And if you like, please press the like button and bell button so that you will get a further notification. And important thing is, knowledge is to share. So if you share, then only you will be also benefited, because I am sharing it here. If you got knowledge, you have to share it. Otherwise, you will get a Mercury curse. If you get a Mercury curse, then your knowledge won't be useful to you. You know Karna in Mahabharata, how Karna is knowledge at the time of crisis, I mean, it was not useful for him because of, that is some other reason, because of some other cut, he got it. Here, see, I am going to put DNA astrology thing. In the DNA astrology, I will explain all these curses or this karma. What are the, why? Because some people are suffering. Why all these things? Because of some karma in the previous birth. How that karma is happening in your chart and the other thing, in the through DNA astrology, I am going to explain to you. Thank you very much for having watched this video. We will meet in our next video. Thank you.